for a just straight, honest rendering assessment of Firefly video.
Hello everyone, this is Daniel Lewis Rappaport from Pazzaria Productions. I'm the owner, director of creation, CEO, etc., etc.
We started with some really great images that Daniel had rendered in some earlier versions of...
And you made them better.
And what we're going to do is we're going to take a run first with the images he originally created and his original prompts. Okay.
Oh boy.
Yes.
This is hideous. Okay. Well, that's interesting.
Yes.
It's completely wrong.
Right. It took apart this one that we did from the latest generation that I did today. This new group I sent you today. And let's see.
Oh, so that was mine that I sent you. Okay.
Yes. Okay. And see if by giving it a little more detail, if it'll fill it in.
This is looking better already. Okay. And it just zoomed out. It's pretty. I thought it might actually be something that is usable. Perhaps I don't know what's going on the bottom. I don't know. Is that a thing he's standing? It's standing on that. Is
brought up a pedestal under him.
It's pretty.
No, I was just looking for another one of the centaurs. Okay. Now this one is on a white background.
Cool. Now we'll try it.
And we'll just see if we think, because the prompt doesn't say for him to have wings.
You understood. Okay.
All right.
Maybe if we put, well, there's no, I would love to have some of the pixie dust effects like off the tail or something like we had in others. You know, and then of course we put the wings. Okay.
Let's say as the centaur gently flight. Let's see now he has wings.
Yes, he does.
And that's off his tail. Nice.
And we have no original image. Yes, immediately download.
Okay.
Our vision realized on screen.
Yes. So the magic was in our prompt.
Best one yet so far. In all of our experimentation from Spark to here, this is like that's the best. That's the most impressive. Gorgeous. Thank you.
Got it when I said for the pixie dust to swirl around from his tail to the sky, into the sky. All right, so bye Centaur, we love you.
Now, where you can find me. My website is Pazzaria.com, and through there you can find links to all of my social media. I'm also on YouTube, youtube.com/Pazzaria TV. That's a very exciting place to find me actually. You'll find a multitude of videos covering all of my different worlds, from my ebooks, my music, as well as my website, of course. So go ahead, explore. We have magical ebooks for both Apple and Amazon platforms. We also have a wonderful wide array of music soundtracks that explore many, many different parts of our worlds. Please go explore and always remember to live your fantasy.